Hey, in the video, my name is Lizzie. What I'm doing today is I am playing mouse. Now, I don't have a mouse, so it's gonna, but I'm doing the best. Anyways, I have a friend here, and I'm going to TP to me. He's up in the like, let me fly. So hard without a mouse. Shout out to Sound Wavy 101. Don't know why I'm shouting him out. But anyways, wait, what's blue do? Nothing. Okay. So sound a bit bad. It's because I have I'm kind of sick right now. That's one reason why I am not at school right now, and my throat is like a little crackly. So yeah, don't know why I'm okay. Also, this is not what my normal character looks like. It's just that I am myself so I can go char me the code, but I don't have the code right now. Okay. Don't worry about the things that are coming on the screen. That's just from people like doing stuff. But I'm going to get the admin in the game. So I'm joining a game. You will spawn here. If the game okay, I don't like this guy. He kept FFing us as in around you. Ow. Okay. When you join the game, you will spawn here, and so what I will do, since I don't know a mouse, I gotta do this. You gotta come. It's actually a bit hard because some of the blocks aren't the same shape. Please don't save me. I don't want you to save me because I don't want any help because I can do the obby. It's really easy. Well, it's easy for me, but sometimes I die and I get really annoyed about it. Especially, but anyways, and you should. Okay, I've sticky. If the game hasn't been hacked, you should see. So sorry that I'm repeating myself. The game is really laggy. So if when you join the game, you will yes, they'll be actually in order, but you'll see blocks there and you can see tools yourself and you can get rid of them, copy them or whatever, move them around. Anyway, go inside the house. You'll be able to grab one of the admins. So if I click this, it'll get rid of the admin. If I say fly me, it won't let me fly because I need to touch the admin pad. Anyways, that's how you basically get the admin. But if you are Perm, I don't know how to say it. It's PERM. I don't know how to say it. It's permission stands for. But you if you buy that, which I'm pretty sure it's 90 to I don't know. I don't have it because I don't have any account. But it's an old slash new. I only used it for at least 3 weeks. Don't like this girl. I'm joking. I like her. She's kind of queen. I don't want to show. I want to show her my channel though, because I will feel rude if I said that she was annoying or something like that. I show her. She says she wants to never mind. Don't worry. Don't mind me just trying to climb up this thing that I can't climb. Okay, that looked really wrong. Okay, very big one. Whoa! I just died. Okay. You want to go up to any wall, you can even go like this. But what you want to do is you want to go up to a wall. And I'm going to go to this one because I want to go this way. No, actually, I want to go this way. You will go to the wall if you don't want to do, and if you have admin, you can go TP me. You can do it 3 times. Yeah, you can do it anyway, mate. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. I like the cape one, and I normally have the teal or white one. Yeah, okay. I also like the trail me teal. Some colors don't like what trail me yellow. You'll just turn white or gold is one. Trail me gold. So if you want yellow, just go with gold because it kind of looks like gold anyways. Me or white. Okay, I didn't spell it right for whatever. Okay, I also like this one actually, these all go together. Ghost me. It just looks so cool. Like, but if you want to add invisible, you gotta go in or invis others or whatever. Um, I'm just gonna say reset me because I'm too lazy to figure out how to do it properly. You can also do sparkles. Wait, sparkle. But I don't think you can choose any other color except for purple/pink. There is smoke. Smoke me. I can make a lot of smoke. Nope. Okay. Three. There's also. I'm trying to think. Oh, there's particle. There's particle be hearts. Okay, I can't do it. There's hearts. There's particle be. A. Yeah. This is galaxy A, but we B, which is blood, and I don't know what the rest are. They're they TPP. I don't care if you're done. Okay, let me think of something else. Okay, hang on. Let me go and other commands. Just search up CMDS commands. Should come out of this. You gotta actually tap this. You can't actually scroll down. Or just write down whoever you want to paint and then color. Below, which I don't know how to use because when it says number, I think it means number, but what does it mean? Yeah, that's particle. You can stun people, which it will make them so they're not able to do anything. So unstun me. There's fire, but bonfire, but bonfire is a bigger one. So it's very laggy. Bonfire. Okay, I'll just reset myself. Okay, visible. If you turn yourself invisible, you can say visible me. Explode, smoke, sparkles, FF, punish, feel, brightness, time. I can set time as like 5 a.m. Yeah, it's fog star and fog color. I don't know what they are either. There's remove tools, B tools, grav. There's no grav me. It will make you be able to jump higher. There's say grav. There's expect. There's rainbow fire. There's flash. Nubify, goldify, goldify, shiny, normal package. blind, fling, seize, there's locked and unlocked, remove, jail, no clip, um, dog creeper, char, unchar, rank, startles, power jump, big head, normal head, go flash music list, and plenty to go. Shirt, whatever. Okay, so we're gonna do, and we'll make everything flashy, and so, and we'll make everything rainbow. We're gonna get mad at me. Sorry, I'm not happy to making a YouTube video. Oh yeah, how I'm doing this, you put M at the beginning of your name. Liz, wait, what is my YouTube? I actually forgot. Uh, um, Liz Games. Okay, I sent it to her. Okay, but I wanna know where Sam is this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guacamole. Guac. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh crap, that's my Discord. I wanna friend her on Discord as well. I put my Discord account, my old YouTube channel. Oh no, my old YouTube channel, on my on my last video I posted. How many subs? Grade 19 in the world. Who's living in an old world and joined the game? Yeah. What the frick? Oopsies. TP. Slow me. There he is. Okay, can I? Frick, I'm gonna get very, very, very mad at right now. Someone, what the frick? There's so much. How many kids? I don't know how many kids I have. How many do I have? M. How many do I have? I don't know how to check. I'm pretty dumb at this. How many? 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 Yeah. How many? How many? I don't know how to check. I don't know. Brown hair and a gal, X. I don't know. I don't know how she can't find it. Like this. This is easy. Oh, I remember that account. That's my old account. I miss it. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna like Beatles it. Like, okay.